Instagram AI influencers like Etana having hundreds of K followers with just few posts and grabbing millions of deals and businesses with just few efforts. How can you make such AI influencers and make them earn a lot of money? Well, this video is just for educational purpose, but will teach you a lot. Like for example, we will first make the AI influencer images, videos with very high quality that actually seems like real. Then we will set up the Instagram account of the AI influencers to get an idea how to promote such things. And then we will go to the money part of how you can use these influencers to generate some cash. AI influencer is really a cool thing. And I know most of you already tried to make one. And to be very honest, AI influencers need some lot of tweaks and fine tuning that you cannot do without a proper instruction. This video will tell you how you can make your AI influencer with the help of latest AI tools and make it constantly original like real life. And you can make it more real like anything else with the help of this video. So I'll teach you each step from starting with Pub AI to all the prompts that are required to make AI influencing a real thing. How are you gonna do it? I'll explain you. First, let's talk about what is AI influencer if you don't know. So AI influencer is kind of a model or kind of a digital art that doesn't exist in real life, and it is generated by AI tools with the help of human prompts. Now you have an idea what exactly is AI influencers, but how are you gonna make them? Well, this is Adit and you're watching SkillCurb. So first of all, let's follow the steps which I'm telling you. You can start with Pub AI. Open your favorite browser, search for Pub AI and click the link provided in the description. Now open your Pub AI page, select create for free. If logged in, you'll see a dashboard with several community models. Now click on create portrait model. Now you can choose your approach. You can create a model by uploading an image or by using an AI influencer generator. The upload option is recommended either way. For example, search for a picture of any model or art that you like. You can download it as a suitable image. Then you can return to Pub AI and upload the model. Then you can save. You can name your model like Fiona, for example. You can include descriptive details like brown eyes, brown hair. You can click on Creator Model button and on the next screen, select Realistic and hit Generate. Now your model is ready and impressively detailed. Well, the video is not in here. There are so many steps to follow in order to create a realistic AI influencer. You can also scroll down to find options like talking avatar and videos face swap. To test face swap, upload any watermark free stock image and you can click on generate to see influencer's face seamlessly integrated into the stock image. You can click on select content and choose community to pick model. Now after clicking on generate audio, you can review the audio, then click on select the audio to produce the video. The final result syncs perfectly and is downloadable. But obviously relying on one single image of the person is not efficient. For Instagram account, there requires potentially hundreds of pictures, so that second step is to create additional images set in various environments which help to build a believable backstory of the character. Well, there could be distinct approaches for this. One method could be like going on technique where like you just use the existing prompt of the character, make a subtle modification, then click on imagine again. You can copy the prompt and then you will tweak it details slightly. For example, instead of the Gucci, so you can say beach. Instead of beach, you can say on the bedroom. So it's all about subtle modification of the background. Then you can change the white outfit to different dress to maybe different jacket. So all these slight modification can help you. Then I'll trigger the generate button and select the preferred image from the results. In case I might choose one and download it. If you want to speed up things and avoid doing manually for each image, you can use free AI generator. You can simply input some key details about the person such as straight hair, brown hair, dark brown, and you can use basic prompt. This will produce a range of images in different scenarios. For instances, you can find this one from the Paris location. You can just get this one. And all these collection of images, the next goal is to make these images face swapping them so they look all the similar faces. In the description, you can find a link of a GitHub repository. Clicking that link will take you to the section labeled step-by-step instruction. You can simply follow the link, invite the inside face swap bot on Discord. Click on that, it opens the bot interface. Then I choose the image of your own server that you want to add in, the same one where we already you can have a mid-journey bot too. After clicking on continue and authorize the request, you can direct to the server. Now you can go to the swap ID. You can always save your ID. After saving your ID, this is time to upload your images, and now it's time to face swap them, and boom, now your entire AI character have similar faces, different location, and then now you have an idea. And these images should be in PNG and JPG format, and that's it. The impressive part is you're getting all the images by just assigning the ID of the identity of your character. You can repeat the process the same to create more images one by one, so you have a vast collection for your AI influencer. Now for the next part, even a great influencer need video content, and I think video content makes your AI influencer much more real. So we need to create a photorealistic video featuring your AI influencer in action. The thing is, you have to obtain an actual video of someone who can resemble your AI like avatar, or you can just go and just record a video from scratch, or you can just download it from the internet of a model. Then you can go to the Acool. Acool is a very good tool for effort, especially for beginners. Here you can just simply go and upload the video. By free login, you can get some new free credits for the new users. After signing up, just upload the video. Now time to add the photo of your AI influencer, and that's it. Just swap it, and after swapping it, you can just get the video, see the videos, upload the face of your character, and now you have the entire process. Now let's compare the videos side by side, and now we have all the images and videos of the content of the influencer. Now let's move to the next step, which is setting up an Instagram account. This step is straightforward. You simply create an Instagram account. Now then browse your various influencer profile. You can examine their description, bios. You can copy an influencer's bio as a template. Once you have all this done, you can use Instagram scheduling tool to plan the post for your next few months. By every day uploading the new images of your AI influencer will make it consistent, and that's it. You will grow so fast. If you want to generate captions for each post, you can use ChatGPT. Simply click on the image upload button, select the images for scheduled post. You can upload several at once. You can use custom prompt like from the provided. You can just use the social media expert will generate engaging captions for Instagram images, and boom, you don't need to do the hard work by your own self. Now that the content is ready, the next question is how you can monetize your AI influencer. Well, here's the strategy. Once your post begin attracting viewers and followers, you can start receiving messages from potential sponsors. You can get some promotion deal for some brand having AirPods, or maybe some clothing brand, or maybe a hotel. You can have your AI influencer appear in that hotel room, and you can tag the hotel. This way you attract a lot of brand and partnership. Well, another method could be generating affiliate revenue. You can include affiliate links in your post so that someone makes a purchase through a link and you receive a commission, which can range from small percentage to up to 50% product's value. And that's it. That's how you can monetize your AI influencer. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe to the channel.